In this video, I will show you how you can file your taxes for free if you qualify. Now, I did a web search here for IRS free filing, and the top result right here takes me to the IRS's website, specifically this page, e-file, do your taxes for free. And then they give us two options: guided tax software or fillable forms. Well, we don't need fillable forms because it's now closed. We can't even use it, but we still have a couple options. The preferred option is the guided tax software, which is free if you make under $89,000 a year in AGI. Now, you can still use them if you make over $89,000, but it may not be free. But let's take a look. We'll click on Explore this free guided tax software, and it gives us two new options. Find a trusted partner over here on the right, which takes us to a questionnaire that matches us with the recommended guided tax software. Or we can just click on Browse, and we can browse the different options, and you see 8 different tax softwares. Now, some of these I recognize, specifically Free Tax USA, and the reason is that my tax office is in a shopping center. I get a lot of foot traffic, and sometimes people come in and they tell me, hey, I only make Social Security, or I make very little money, a tiny little pension. They don't have a lot of money. They can't afford to hire a tax pro to do a return. So for those people, I suggest Free Tax USA, and I've used it before myself. I've helped people, I've logged on, I've helped people and looked at the interface. It's very easy to use. You can see here, they even have a free state return, and it tells you here the different benefits, the cutoffs to qualify for a free federal return, and if you can get a free or cheap state return with it. You can click this box and actually look at the website. Free Tax USA has an easy interface. I know it sounds like I'm promoting them, but I'm just telling you who I've used. I mean, use whomever you want. I recognize some of these, like TaxAct, TaxSlay, I recognize these names. Now, the tax software is the easiest way to go, but you still have another option, because let's say you're not tech savvy, or you don't have a computer, or you're helping someone else, and you need to print it out. Well, you can go back and do a web search, IRS 1040. That's the form that you submit to file your tax return. It's a 2-page form. This is it. And if you do a web search, this is the form it'll bring you to, the PDF. And you can fill this out. Now, the easiest way to do it, because I know it looks like a lot at first. And the thing is if you just have W-2 income from a job, and this is a W-2. So let's say you have a job, okay? Whatever your job is, at the end of the year, you get a W-2. If you just have a W-2, there's no reason why you can't go over to a 1040, fill out your info, your filing status. If you have dependents, put them here, and then write in, it says total amount from W-2 box 1, put it there. And then if you have questions, there's instructions, and the IRS posts instructions. So you can just match up whatever line you're stuck at and scroll through and figure out what you need to put in here. And then, by the way, in the instructions at the very bottom, there's an address. So you can print this 2-page 1040 out and mail it to the IRS. That's the alternative if you're not using that free guided software. Now, the thing about this, though, is that this same form is used by the most simple and basic taxpayers, and also the most complex, because the more things that you add on, the further down the rabbit hole you go. I will make a video where I'll go through this, and I'll just do a simple W-2. So just pay attention to my channel, and you'll see that I'll upload a video soon showing you that if you have a W-2, how easy it is to do this and how to mail this in. That's it. Now, I'll do some more complex scenarios, because if you drive Uber, or you have a side hustle, or you have self-employed income, or you have the no tax on tip or no tax on overtime that you need to add, well, there are some other forms that you need to use to calculate a number that you add in here, and I'll do some video tutorials of those. But for the sake of this video, the free and easy way is the guided software we were just talking about. And if you can't do that because you don't have access to using this software, well, just get yourself a 1040, fill it out by hand, mail it in, and consider your taxes filed. I hope you found this helpful. Feel welcome to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.